Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Iran Knife. Today we have an exciting showdown featuring the classic penknife. We will be putting this versatile tool to the test to show you what a nice tool is this. Let's get started. First up, we have the classic penknife. It's a compact and a sleek design, perfect for everyday carry. It features a stainless steel blade, truly a handy tool that fits in your pocket. Also, it has three different colors, silver, black and gold. All parts of these penknives are waterproof, so you won't have to worry about it rusting. The interesting and best features about this tool is that you can write cause it is a pen, and you can cut cause it has a hidden blade. Now let's see how well this penknife performs when it comes to cutting and slicing tasks. I have here a variety of materials including rope, cardboard and fruits.
Artlist.io.
Classic penknife has impressed us with its unique features and utility. The classic penknife is perfect for daily tasks. It ultimately comes down to your specific needs and preferences.
Music licensing reimagined.
Let us know in the comments what you do if you have this penknife.
Music licensing reimagined.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and we will see you next time.